I'm Irina.
My name is Amir.
And welcome to our channel.
Life with a Russian wife. दोस्तों जैसे कि आप जानते हैं क्वारंटीन, लॉकडाउन, कोरोना ये सब चल रहा है आजकल और मूवीज़ इसकी वजह से काफ़ी इम्पैक्ट हुई हैं. काफ़ी मूवीज़ नहीं आ रही हैं जो आया करती थी और इसका फ़ायदा जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स हमारे नेटफ्लिक्स और अमेजोन ने काफ़ी उठाया. वो नई नई मूवीज़ लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. और by the way, Irina, do you like movies?
I love movies, but now unfortunately we cannot even go to the cinema due to all this lockdown stuff.
So I think we're dependent on television, this Netflix and Amazon.
Definitely,
right?
but see, for me, I'm not so much, no, I'm choosy, but for me it's easy to watch movies because I can watch my favorite movies again and again, again and again.
Alright, but
Yes.
do you like Bollywood comedies?
Bollywood comedies.
Yeah.
I do watch sometimes Bollywood movies on social drama or else, but comedies maybe once in a while I'm watching. And you know, whenever I watch, I even do not remember the name of the movies because for me they're mostly looking alike. They're like the same pattern, the same laughter, the same jokes. Like they're almost same to same.
Same to same.
Yes. And what about you? You like to watch comedies?
Like for me, like you mentioned one time watch. So if you are feeling bored or something, watch Bollywood movie, laugh. That's it.
Yeah, but most of them are like, you know, you even do not know what is it about because it's like just like silly stuff is there, no?
Alright, okay, we can talk about later on. तो आज हम जिस मूवी की बात कर रहे हैं वो है एक रीमेक पुरानी 90s की मूवी और मूवी का नाम है कुली नंबर 1.
It's that people who are carrying luggage on their head?
Absolutely right.
Okay.
On railway stations.
Yes, on railway stations. I have seen these types of people.
So it's a remake of the old movie came in 90s and the same director making the remake.
And why he is making a remake? Like if you already made the movie long ago and now you decide to make the same movie with new people? What for? Like
his son is by the way featuring in that movie.
Oh, now I got it. So okay, I want to put everyone in the film industry. Let me make a remake with my own people, huh?
Yeah, because I think lack of content what to show.
Lack of content. Look around. It's so many things. You know, it's a field of ideas are there.
So let's talk about that later on.
Okay.
So today we'll be watching Coolie number 1 trailer
Coolie
before
number
because
one.
movie will
Coolie number 1.
Coolie number 1. So movie will release in 21st of December on Christmas.
25th. Christmas is 25th.
Yeah, 25th.
So
Sorry,
it's
apologies.
It's like gift for those who are Bollywood fans.
Yes.
All right.
But before watching the movie, let's watch the trailer and let's see how Irina will react on the trailer.
All right. Let's check whether it is worth to watch or not.
मैं ये चाहता था कि मेरी बेटी को हिंदुस्तान का सबसे रिच हस्बैंड मिले. उसने उसे हिंदुस्तान का रिच हस्बैंड दिया है. इसके पास एशिया का सबसे बड़ा पोर्ट.
Wow.
बुर्ज खलीफा इसका है.
बुर्ज
और ये भी
खलीफा.
हो सकता है कि अमेरिका का व्हाइट हाउस भी खरीद ले.
So he's sorry, John. He's sorry.
Sorry.
सिंगापुर का राजा हैदर प्रताप का बेटा.
So he's the king of Singapore.
प्रताप सिंह.
Wow.
Oh, a girl is coming. And flirty as well, huh?
Yeah.
Secretary, ATM का फोन है.
ATM सर.
अंबानी, ट्रम्प, मोदी.
So famous guy.
Oh, what a dance.
एक मुंबई का बंगलो दिखा दीजिए बस.
What is that?
He's speaking Chinese.
इसकी माँ जो आपको मतलब हमारा जो स्कीम का बंगला आके देखो.
I think they are making out.
मामा जी मेरे साथ ही रहेंगे, कहीं नहीं जाएंगे.
Seriously.
छोड़ के भांजी के घोंसले में रहना चलेगा.
Oh, they got married.
Okay. I think he found out about it.
ये अपना चुनवा भाई है. कंप्लेन दिया, तुमने वाली के खाली भाई.
See, there are two men.
Yeah.
Two men.
एक और लड़की ने क्या है?
It's his wife. He got married,
Yeah.
right?
लड़की ने क्या है?
You jolly young man.
And this one?
I think
Heaven on the docks, man. Churwa out of the box,
he
man.
said his another daughter.
So he's dating two daughters.
Yeah.
Wow. And he's like the closet.
दूसरा आता है, दूसरा जाता तो पहला आता है। तो कौन है वो सिर्फ कुली है, कुली है, कुली है।
This man I know.
दुनिया मेरा घर है, स्टेशन मेरा अड्डा, जब मन करे आ जाना, राजू मेरा नाम है।
Oh, South Indian style.
Yes. Flying like this.
और प्यार से लोग मुझे बुलाते हैं कुली नंबर
What?
कोई शक
ए कुली
It's like, you know, from far away you can see his shining teeth.
Yes.
Seriously. What the hell is it?
Gala से को बोला.
Yes, like also.
नौजवानों की दिल की धड़कन,
Oh.
रात की रानी, what's it man?
Oh wow.
Naughty boy.
It's female.
The frog man.
Oh.
It's not female.
It's female. It's female, 100%. Yes.
It's not female. I think it's him only
No,
dressed
no.
like a female.
No.
No? So how do you like the trailer, by the way?
For me, it is really funny. It's nice to watch, very light. And to be honest, I did not understand much what is the movie about, because Coolie, I already know who is the Coolie. But it does not look like about Coolie. It looks something else.
Coolie, I guess they are showing in the trailer that he is like a coolie, but this man wanted to marry his daughter to some rich guy. I think he's pretending to be rich.
No, I don't understand, but how Coolie is related to the main movie. Like, if he is Coolie, then they have to show that he is carrying luggages and all and all. And by the way, yes, what an actor they chose for this movie. Seriously.
What an actor.
What an actor.
What an actor.
An actor who is not matching his role, you know. He is too buttery, too cheesy, too makeup, chinky boy and all.
Chinky boy, not chinky. I think chickeny, smooth.
Yes,
smooth,
yes,
smooth.
yes. Smooth skin and all. Like, look at him. When he smiled at the last episode, it felt like, you know, from the sky you can see his white shining teeth. It's like, no, coolies are not like this. They should have chosen some different
I think
actor.
rough and tough. Coolie
Rough
should
and
look
tough, definitely. Like someone who will be at least keep little bit unshaved face for this role, you know.
Like according to you, who will be better in this video?
Maybe that, you know, this Ajay.
Ajay Devgan?
Yes, yes, yes. He
Yeah,
can.
He looks
because
like macho type and you know like rough and tough type.
there are many actors who can match. Just I do not remember their names. This only I remember by name, but he can match way better, although he's older. But yes, this one is too shiny and too over polished for this type of role, according to me.
Yeah. And you thought that there are 2-3 same duplicates.
No, only two duplicates. One is rich, one is poor. One is Coolie, and one is that rich who is a multimillionaire, calling to everyone and all, who is owning, even can buy Burj Khalifa. So that is rich, and another is Coolie, poor.
I've seen the old movie which
Okay.
came in 90. I think there was only one person.
Yes, by the end they showed like
Yeah.
this. But in the beginning, they're clearly showing that these are two different
So you never
people.
know, they are making a remake. Maybe there might be some twist.
Maybe. But yes. Like that father was okay, that both of the daughters are dating like
So I think maybe he
Same
thought there are like 2 different persons. Maybe he
twins.
thought, yeah, possibility.
The only from the trailer person whom I know and whom I liked, it is that funny policeman, because I have seen him already in previous comedies.
Ah.
And yes, he is always recognizable. He is very funny, and he is always playing role of policeman, according to me.
Yeah, his name is Johnny Lever, famous comedian of Indian movies.
So
Bollywood movies.
if to watch this movie, then I think that only for his role, maybe I can watch this movie. But for all the rest, I even do not know the other actors in this movie. I'm sorry. So if you're fans of anyone, I do not want to offend you. Just I'm not fan of most of the actors. I watch movies not for the sake of the actors, but for the sake of the movie. It should be interesting. It should have some plot, story, and yes, in this I did not get what is the movie about.
We did not get the idea behind this movie, right?
It's like, you know, he little bit haha he he, there yes, music is nice, like okay, jolly and funny, but to be honest, what is the idea, like the central, this root
Idea is missing.
idea is yes missing, because it's like whatever.
But it's like, you know, like if you want to have some laugh, You
Yes.
see some, comedy content and you laugh. That's it.
But will you go, let's say, if right now cinemas are open, will you go for the cinema to watch this movie?
No.
No, why?
I rarely go to watch Bollywood movies. I go only, when there is some strong story,
Mhm.
drama type, like some strong story. But
And
this
are you
kind-
planning to watch then on TV?
Yeah, why not? Yeah. To lighten your mood, you can watch. It's a funny movie. Looks funny.
Right. So friends, write in the comments whether you're planning to watch this movie, and if you already have seen trailer, what do you think about it? So how do you feel about the movie? Watchable or unwatchable? For me, it is also watchable. One time, let's say,
Yeah.
whenever it will come out, maybe I will watch it just for the sake of knowing what is there, because I have checked the trailer. So to clear my doubts whether that lady boy was the third person or not. And yes, just to clear doubts, or maybe I will find out some inner sense of this movie. And you also tell us whether you're planning to watch it or not, and who is your favorite actor, by the way. So it's really interesting to know what kind of subscribers we have, what kind of movies you watch, and what type of actors you like. So for us, it will be closer to you, and you will be closer to us if we will know each other a little bit better.
And friends, I hope you like the reaction made by Irina on this trailer.
Reaction.
Reaction.
Yes.
और फ्रेंड्स एक और चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा, अगर आपको मूवी का ट्रेलर देखना है सो हमारे डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा, तो डायरेक्टली अमेजोन के पेज पे ले जाएगा.
Just press the button and you will be already in Amazon page to check.
Yeah, because we don't own any rights of this video, so it's all thanks to Amazon Studios.
Yeah. So instead of searching somewhere, just follow the link
Yeah,
if
follow
you
the link.
haven't checked yet this video yet.
Amazon makes good videos, so check directly through their page.
Right.
And if you like our today's vlog,
Don't forget to press
the like button,
and
subscribe to our channel.
see you really soon.
Bye bye.